A good heart is a heart that beats strong and healthily. And to keep our heart health in shape, a balanced diet rich in nutrients is directly linked to the regular pulsing of this tireless worker. See 4 essential foods to keep your heart free of problems and diseases. Besides being delicious, apples are rich in phytonutrients. These things prevent the bad cholesterol from rising, which prevents the development of cardiovascular diseases like heart attack and stroke. Red grapes and red purple fruits. These fruits are antioxidants, which means they protect the cells and avoid the inflammatory process of blood vessels. These foods contain resveratrol, which fights fat plaques on arteries and blood vessels that bring blood to the heart. The leaves of olive trees, where olives grow, can also be used to boost your heart's health. Besides, olive leaves are rich in oleuropein, which acts as a natural relaxant for the arteries, improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure.